what's up mga Meg? Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and hit notification bell for ting ting ting. So for today's video,
Sumukbang. May challenge tayo.
may challenge tayo with shout out Andrea Bartolome with DONNALYN Bartolome. And ang challenge natin ay English speaking, no scripted.
Isa?
Not scripted. So, ang challenge na ito guys ay English speaking challenge. No script. Shout out to DONNALYN Bartolome. Why are you doing?
Go.
You're so many rap.
Pag umiiyak siya, agad nandyan ako. Di mo na kasi ma-check ang cellphone mo.
Yeah, go.
And this is not scripted, Joy. And I hope you pansin this. And you are friend of Zainab and Jela. You are Duraylab. So
What?
shout out to you. You're so very magaling mag-rap.
Di ko may paliwanag ang aking nararamdaman. Pagkatabi kita, di ako makapagsalita.
Game. Very good.
So I'm here in the stairs. And sobrang
Gila. Kasi tayo na sa
and sobrang maraming motor and so many trees.
Do you know that DONNALYN Bartolome has a salon?
Yes, why not? She is a silingan a salon in Daylynab. And I hope you're lipay-lipay to shout out to you. And I hope you can speak English and you cannot speak Bisaya and Tagalog. So, please question me, Tito Ineng.
No, I don't have any questions for you.
So, please, tudlo may Arab.
Sige, walang ate. Prende lang siya lagi. Pagkakasundo ng puso't utak nyo ay grabe.
Because it's so hard, cause I don't have a script, but so hard kung I hope my script.
Istorya unsa si DONNALYN Bartolome, istorya siya in English, unsa imong nahibaw-an niya.
Anong ga?
Di man mapil ang tingog.
You're so generous and you're so very light. What? And you're so sobrang dato. And this is so hard to vlog, no script and no script and no hayag-hayag and I'm not. And I hope you can notice this. And sorry for the bata-bata tigkatawa.
What else?
Or else.
Uy, isa pa.
It's so hard to work salon. You are the extension of Zainab and Duraylab. I want to extension myself. Wow! And my ilong to tangus-tangus. And I hope you can buy a hair salon and you can buy a color and you can buy anything what you want.
Very good.
No one kulang-kulang you.
So, ano sa pa?
Hulo, kulusudon. And I hope sobrang rami and ano sa gani? English na baka naman.
Bikini.
Bikini na. Baka naman na. You can hatid-hatid me Tommy's store. Can you please extension my hair and Tito Ining cause she is so ugly and clumsy hair.
Ano mag-classic?
She is so bungkag-bungkag and kulot-kulot.
Yeah. That's why?
That's why I can extension my hair.
So you want to be a princess because you want to extension your hair.
I want to be your princess because I extension my hair and I thank you.
Wow, pag-ano?
5 minutes tayo. And subang namin talong.
So, pag-usultin mo ni Kwan.
She is so... I give away to you tanong. I don't care if Mama Mercy say me, don't give away here, mga tanong. Here, plants. This is a cute plant. Cute plants and so dirty. So dirty because she is a baka.
Tai ba ka? Hindi ba?
And I hope my name is Nitch makapobrial prinsesa. Ako ay si Nitch Fajardo, makapobre prinsesa daga Manila. Like I'm so generous and I'm so bad. So bad, my kilay. And she Tito Ining is so not bantay-bantay. If I'm langas-langas and if I tulog-tulog. And I don't know what else. And kasi birthday mo. Birthday mo.
Birthday mo, birthday mo, birthday.
Anong masasabi mo sa kanta ni DONNALYN in English na? Kanta niya na birthday mo. Di ba kita makatong nga?
Yes. Birthday is a birthday party. And I hope you can invite me on your birthday.
Yes. Very good.
I hope you can invite me and Zebby and Dolaynab and Jalai.
Birthday mo.
And
Yeah.
sorry for my likod-likod na so sagit-sagit and hugaw. Sababay and hugaw. And so this is my barangay, Tahaw, Cebu, 103 Toledo City. And why the Pilamongan is not a city? City Hall. And subang gasasya. And my finger is so clumsy. And oh my god, she is a manga. Manga.
So, hindi na mo ninyo short off. Kanagmangga.
And not Dolaynab my shout out. My shout out is
Si DONNALYN.
DONNALYN Bartolome.
Okay, shout out. Balik sa topic ni DONNALYN Bartolome.
And back to DONNALYN Bartolome. And what's your favorite color? And what's your favorite toys? And what my favorite suga-suga? And you're so generous. You're so general sister of the lineup. And you're parang kapatid. ni Zainab. You're the ate and Zainab is the bunso. And what color you want and what color? What color?
Why do you ask?
Cause I am asking cause your favorite color is pink. I ask you cause I give away you a plant pink.
Do you have a plant pink?
Yes.
Where? Okay.
And my slipper pink. This.
Sandal?
So hugaw. Cause I am too generous and I am bugno myself if I can say a bad words. I ana myself.
Don't do that. Your hairs.
My hair is so clumsy cause I'm ganyan pag I'm say a bad words. I ganyan. Lipong na lang. Cause next time I will put lipong and I hope you can stay there and I hope I can selingan you and I hope I like your house and I like all your may aari.
Huh? May ari. Waga.
Pinag-aarian. Haharian. And Tito Ining while ngaw there cause my English is so corny. And Tito Ining is done to her classy. And he classy. She not a classy. She not a classy. And back to DONNALYN Bartolome. And I don't have any question for you. I say you. I'm taking it now.
Take it.
Take care and I'm taking it now.
Nitch, mangutan na kaniyang ug giunsa niya pag-start iyang business.
What are you start your business? Why? Unsa ganit na yung English unsaon? When did you start your business? I hope you can send this to your friend now.
Why?
Okay.
Why? Mangutan na kan mga ano. Anong isin man niya?
Para I'm sikat. Char.
What is the English of sikat?
Famous. Cause you are so famous and IDK if you call the lineup a sister. Do you know IDK?
I don't know.
What is this? And back to DONNALYN again. So again, you can support me and I don't have to say. Take care yourself. Don't take care yourself. Take care yourself. And I don't know how to take care myself and yourself. Your son silk. And I hope you can. Nan ako kay mama.
English.
Tagalog na lang.
Kuan mo tanda kaniya. Halos sila nagkasuod sa iyang mga amiga.
Where you see your mga amigas? Where you see your mga amigas? And I sabak doon.
Ina siya. Kay baw ba ka nga na ako yung mga shoutout nila?
Do you know I'm shout out there too? Zainab Harake and Jalai. The link is here on description box.
And I also shout out DONNALYN.
And I also shout out the lineup.
Ay, shaggy.
And I also shout out the lineup.
Dalawang beses na yan!
The link is on the description box.
Kung gusto ka mo tanaw,
If you want to see the result, please see the result on part 2.
What? Oh, anong part 2 eh?
The part 2 is Bisaya and Tagalog. What you do? What you do? Why you wear? Why you wear?
What you doing? What you doing? Where you at? Where you at?
I don't have any question.
Ginagawa mo.
And I hope you... Sabacho! And I hope you can see this, and this is not a scripted. Do you know? You is not scripted, and DONNALYN and Jalai and the lineup and all my shout out is an English. I don't ito gani inay ko ang gani wala na ko masulti.
I don't have anything to say.
I don't have anything to say. Serious.
Biriya.
Game. You can say all you want.
You can say all you want and
At hindi mag-bisay lang ko English ah. Sulti mo gusto mong sulti.
I don't have to any say you. So back to DONNALYN Bartolome, so nawala mi kadiyot.
Ay, lagi English.
Ay lagi English. So I'm wala-wala kadiyot and cause I'm kain-kain and
Gusto mo yung English sa kain?
I'm eat cause I'm eating and the phone is full and so back to DONNALYN Bartolome and so back to DONNALYN Bartolome.
Pag-English na.
I have to English you cause you are an English speaking. Your English speaking is so very generous. So when I meet you, I want to buy me a chocolate. Wow! If I have a chance to meet you
Saan yung asa mo?
on the mall, if not pandemic, and in the police station, if you want to visit here in Tahaw, please visit me
Asan mo siya dadon?
on the police station.
Ina. I can tour you in the
I can tour you in my police station. My police station is so many room. So this is so cold. This in Tahaw, Pyongan, Cebu.
It's so cold.
So cold and I'm so full.
Why do you
Full.
full?
Cause I'm eating all the pan and pandesal.
Yes. Do you like candy salt?
Yeah.
Yan, naabot naman ka. Si DONNALYN atong storyahan. Mabuti ka da.
Alangan, ginangutan naman ka.
Okay, si DONNALYN imong gi-shout out, yeah.
So, DONNALYN Bartolome. DONNALYN Bartolome. DONNALYN Bartolome. I hope you color my hair. And I hope you can visit there in Tahaw. And I hope you can visit there. Nagputligid laway. And I hope I am pretty than me. Ito para sila hindi.
Kumala gud. Takay lang gud.
So, Donalyn Bartolome and my name is Nitch Pahardo Makapabay, Prinsesa Makaprubyal Pahardo, and I thank you. And I thank you. Please subscribe on my channel, Tinchan channel. I hope you enjoy this my vlog, Donalyn Bartolome Challenge English. And I thank you.